I've always been curious about how technology can help with analysis. Is it possible for an algorithm to analyze the market as well as an experienced analyst? I decided to find out. Hi, my name is Nathan. I've been working in market analysis for 8 years, and in that time, I've gone from manual analysis to creating my own assistant, an AI tool that can analyze the market and deliver accurate insights. My AI bot is a result of extensive testing and market research. It processes information faster than a human and does it without emotions or fatigue. In this video, you will see exactly how my assistant works. I'll show you how it responds to market changes, what kind of ideas it generates, and how you can use it in your own trading. It's simple, clear, and accessible. If you have been wanting to try market analysis but didn't know where to start, this video might be your first step. Watch closely until the end. You might just find the solution you have been looking for. Ready? Let's begin. And one more important update. I've opened access to a tool in my community that helps analyze the market. Just imagine, it takes on part of the routine work, analyzing data and supporting decision making, free from emotional bias. As you probably know, emotions can cause people to miss important signals. This tool follows an algorithm I've developed based on my personal experience. In my community, you can access this tool and use it in your own analysis. You don't need to spend months studying complex systems. This tool helps you analyze. Your job is simply to decide which trade ideas you want to act on. Many members of the community have already seen how user-friendly it is. Now you have a chance to try it out too. But I have to mention, spots are limited. I make sure everyone is supported and guided through using the tool, which is why access is temporarily open. In just a moment, I will show you how I work with the tool, but first, click the link in the pinned comment and join my community to grab your spot. Then come back and continue watching. The world is becoming automated. Why not use it to your own advantage? Let's get started. Alright, let's move on to my favorite part. By the way, my bot has already started working and sent me the pairs with the most promising opportunities. Let's select them. Okay, this one and that one. Right, we won't be using indicators, the bot doesn't need them. Alright, we're ready and I hope you're too. Time to begin. My assistant has already done the analysis and advises going up. Alright, let's follow that. I see the price is moving sideways. It's bouncing off the lower boundary now, and since there is still some room before it hits the resistance level at 2.09, my assistant decided to go up, aiming to reach that level. Let's watch. Great! We've had a good start to this session. Coincidence? You might think so. Let's keep watching. Moving on to the next pair. The bot is analyzing and here comes the signal. It suggests going down. Alright, let's go. I see that the price broke out of the range to the downside and has just set a new low. That signals the beginning of a downtrend. We're seeing a small correction now and price is approaching a local level, expecting the trend to continue downward. Perfect. In cases like this, it is important to act fast. The market changes every second. Let's keep going. Next one. My assistant has already analyzed the pair. And there is a notification again going down. Alright, let's follow. I see the price is still moving in a downtrend. Now we're observing a small sideways correction. Price is near the upper boundary of this range. So again, we expect the trend to continue downward. Let's watch. Nice, we've already got 100. Let's aim for more. Next pair. AI bot says to go down. Okay, we're going down. I see why my assistant made that call. Price previously broke out of the range downward, and now it's returned to the retest the level and bounce back, forming a bearish engulfing pattern, expecting the downtrend to continue. Good job, bot. Just as I thought it. Let's keep it up. Starting to see how this tool can help you analyze market trends? From the beginning, I knew that guessing wouldn't work in market analysis. You need a clear system, One, based on a logic, calculations, and years of experience. After 8 years of work, I moved from trial and error to a solid understanding of how the market operates and how to simplify the process. That's exactly why I built this tool. To take on the heavy lifting, market data analysis, calculations, and forming clear conclusions. This assistant works using an algorithm I developed and refined over years of hands-on work. So what does that mean for you? You get the opportunity to explore what this tool can do and see how it helps with analysis even in complex situations. In my community, you will get access to the tool, plus daily market breakdowns, training materials, and my personal support. I walk participants through each step, so even if you have no experience, you will be able to build the skills quickly. Here's what's important. I personally make sure each new member gets maximum value. That's why spots are limited, so join while access is still open. If you want to see how it works in real trading situations, click the link in the pinned comment and jump in. Now, back to the session, there is still a lot ahead. Alright, waiting for the bot's analysis. And we've got the go-ahead to go down again. A lot of down moves today, but the bot knows better. Let's go. Looking at the chart, I see the price bounced off the 2.9 level. There is no upward pressure here, and the next target is the lower boundary of the range of 2.09. I agree with the bot. We expect the price to continue downward. Nice work, friends. As you have probably noticed, even though the bot is selecting the directions correctly, I'm still monitoring everything. It is second nature now. Moving forward, the bot is analyzing, and we've got an interesting setup here. Oh, it says go up. Alright then, let's go up. Looking at the chart, we had a strong upward movement after a doji candle appeared at the bottom, which usually signals a potential reversal. After that, we started getting strong green candles. We're seeing a bounce off the local resistance level and we're going up, because for a full reversal to happen, the price needs to break that level. Let's see. Yes, that's exactly why I like my bot. No hesitation, no emotions. Human emotions can sometimes really get in the way. Alright, our final trade for today. The bot says go up. I'm going up because the price made a new low but didn't continue downward. Instead, a bullish engulfing pattern formed, suggesting a potential reversal or at least a solid correction. We're expecting upward movement, friends. Exactly as expected. Is this magic? Of course no. It is a result of years of experience and knowledge. And I won't lie, I'm very satisfied. Let's be honest, you've seen how this data analysis tool works, and now you have two choices. Close this video and keep doing things the old way, or take a step that could completely transform how you approach market analysis. My community isn't just a place to talk. It's where I demonstrate how to use technology and proven strategies to help you understand trading. I share my personal methods and give access to the data analysis tool that supports informed decision making. The goal is simple. Stop watching and start acting. This tool isn't just for experienced users. It's for beginners too. And most importantly, you can try it for free. Click the link in the pinned comment and become part of our community. Remember, the market is always unpredictable and risk is a part of it. But with the right tools and the right mindset, you can dramatically improve your chances of a positive outcome. Thanks for watching until the end. I'll see you inside the community. Good luck and see you soon.